drink my pitcher, you can call my lady, you can take my money, you can eat my lunch. Scuff these sneakers, you can say you hate me, you can call me crazy, but don't touch my truck. My Chevy truck.
I admit it, another hoe got me finished. Broke my heart, oh no you didn't. Fuck sipping, I'ma down a whole bottle. Hard liquor, hard truth can't swallow. Need a bartender, put me out of my sorrow. Wake up the next day in a Monte Carlo with another woman. Tell me shit from Colorado when she love women. She'll be gone by tomorrow, who am I kidding? All this jealousy and agony that I sit in. I can't breathe, I'm waiting for the exhale. Touch my pain with my wishes in the wishing well. Still no luck, but oh well. I still try even though I know I'm gon' fail. Stress on my shoulders like an anvil. Perky got me itching like an anthill. Just killing me softly, Lord hell. Sometimes I don't know how to feel. Woke up from depression.
I'm just sitting in my truck right now. Oh no, fire! Help! Somebody help! Help! Somebody help! Oh shit. Ah! Help! Oh shit! Shit! Shit!
Gada, oh, I've been married a long time ago. Where do you come from? What year to go? What do you come from? Bacalado. Gada, oh, I've been